sorry, Jack.
I was gonna do that a long time ago and I didn't do it.
Yeah, here's enough.
Get him?
Oh.
Oh, man. Nice one, isn't it? I can't see how come I can't get a hold of one like that.
You didn't spit on your worm.
You know what I got that on?
What?
A dead minnow I found right here. I put it on a
What is it?
single hook.
It is dandy.
Nice fish. Nice fish, huh?
It ain't foul hooked, is it?
No, it's in the mouth.
No.
Looks like it might be.
Looks like it's foul hooked.
They're just saying that.
I know they're just
Yeah,
saying
they're
it ain't foul.
Kind of a
No.
game warden. I am a game warden. You know, from Elk County, I'm kind of a game warden. I don't have no jurisdiction up there.
No.
Uh-huh.
That's a nice one, Bear. You can get it in.
Play them out.
Wow.
Barry might play out first, though.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Oh, you got to fire that net, man.
You gotta
yeah.
fire the net, man.
Nice.
You done all right.
That's a nice one.
That's a volunteer net man.
I think that's
Well,
one
if that was a volunteer, then that's all right. If you're paying him, I'd fire him.
Nice one. Oh, he's a beauty, isn't he?
Yeah, he's there.
Yeah, you got your things, Bear? Got your...
You cut in the mouth.
Yep, right
Yeah.
up under his jaw.
Yeah, it broke that.
It's legal, buddy. You could eat them right on the spot.
You want to put them back in, Bear?
Yeah.
Hook broke off. I don't know if I can get a hold of them.
Let me get a picture of them.
Okay. Here,